Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I remove my nail gels at home. I prefer doing them myself because one, it's time efficient, two, it's simple. So let's get straight into the video. All you'll need is a nail file, a piece of cotton wool, stick-on for pushing out the gel, acetone, and aluminium foil. Take the aluminium foil and cut it into smaller pieces. I cut the aluminium foil into 8 pieces since only 8 of my fingers had nail gel. The rest I had removed them using my teeth, which is not recommended since it can cause damage to your nails. Then divided the cotton wool into smaller pieces of 8. Did a little filing of the nail in order to reduce the layers of the gel, thus making it easier to remove the gel. Placing acetone on the cotton wool and then putting it on the finger, wrapping it round with the aluminium foil. I did cut bigger pieces of cotton wool, but you can also use smaller pieces of cotton wool. They also work because the idea is generally something that will hold on the acetone in place so that it can help to remove the gel. I let it soak off for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how the gel looks. It has already soaked off a little bit, but now we are going to push out the one that can easily come out using the stick-on. It's not a must to use the stick-on to push out the soaked off gel. You can use the cuticle pusher, but since I didn't have it, I used the stick-on. And since not everything had come off, because I had gel plus overlay, the overlay layer was still on, I took back the aluminium and the cotton wool, added some acetone, and then wrapped it around the same finger. Did the same for the other fingers, removed the layer that was easily removable. And if the finger had a layer of overlay that didn't come off easily, I would add some acetone on the cotton wool and return back the foil. I let it sit for about 5 minutes. By now, all the layers were so easily removable. Did the same for the other hand. There you go, my nails are free from gel. That was so easy. You can try it out and tell me how it worked for you on the comment section below. Don't forget to hydrate your nails. I personally prefer using olive oil. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new content. Till next time, bye.